Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a group of friends who were known far and wide for their adventurous spirit and insatiable curiosity. One sunny afternoon, as they were exploring the dense forest that bordered their town, they stumbled upon a mysterious portal hidden behind a thicket of brambles. Intrigued by the shimmering light emanating from the portal, the friends cautiously approached and, with a collective breath, stepped through the swirling vortex. To their amazement, they found themselves in a land unlike any they had ever seen before. The air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and colorful butterflies flitted about in a dance of joy. As they wandered through the lush landscape, they encountered a group of friendly creatures unlike any they had ever seen. These creatures had the bodies of animals, but the faces of humans, and they welcomed the friends with open arms. They explained that they were the guardians of this magical land, known as the Land of Friendly, where kindness and compassion reigned supreme. The friends were enchanted by the beauty and tranquility of the Land of Friendly, and they quickly formed deep bonds with the creatures who called it home. They spent their days exploring the verdant forests, swimming in crystal-clear lakes, and feasting on delicious fruits that grew abundantly in the orchards. But as time passed, the friends began to feel a longing for their own world, for their families, and the familiar comforts of home. The creatures of the Land of Friendly understood their yearning and, with heavy hearts, bid them farewell, promising that the portal would always be open to them should they wish to return. And so, the friends stepped back through the portal, their hearts heavy with the bittersweet memories of their time in the Land of Friendly. As they emerged back into the forest on the outskirts of their town, they found that only a few hours had passed since they had first entered the portal. Though they had returned to their ordinary lives, the friends carried with them the lessons they had learned in the Land of Friendly, the importance of kindness, compassion, and friendship. And as they went about their days, they shared the stories of their adventures with all who would listen, spreading the message of love and harmony wherever they went. And so, the Land of Friendly lived on in their hearts, a reminder of the magic that exists in the world for those who dare to seek it.